What's up, guys? It's Garvin's Garage here, and right now we are working on this workbench. We just got it sanded. No, we just got it cut, and right now we're sanding the sides and the corners and the top, just so we can make it more smooth, more easier to use, and not get slivers or anything. And we kind of sanded the corners on this side, moving on to this side, and we're just going to get to work on this thing. So yeah, let's continue. Okay, that just fell. Okay, well, I think we're almost done with sanding. Yeah, look at, you have to have a smooth finish on the top, so then the paint is like smooth once you're done painting it.
And
so
no
there's
slivers. So yeah.
And this corner right here,
You know the
like the sides are very smooth, and like I can just go like this all day. Wouldn't scratch my hand. This is smooth because we've been sanding it.
So yeah.
And then I'll just brush it off and then like blow it off with our leaf blower. Get all the dust off, and then paint it, and then then it'll be a durable finish that will hopefully be lifelong.
So yeah, next video is gonna be us painting this.
And probably preparing a little bit.
Yeah, a little more, because actually there's nothing else to do. Next video is painting.
Yeah.
See you next time.